What's going on, everybody? It's a blessing to be here, coming at you with another video. It's been a while since I have done a Forex video on any of the currencies. Well, today we're back at it again, as you see right here. I'm going to be talking about GBPJPY, the Great Britain Pound against the Japanese Yen. And I have took a trade, well, the reason I haven't been talking about Forex is because I'm trading about 2 to 3 pairs. I'm going to click this right here so y'all can see. GBPJPY, EUR, USD, and gold. So I just try to keep it simple because it's kind of repetitive. So I just try to keep it simple and refresh every time I bring y'all videos. That's why. And I've also been focused on other things as well. But let's just hop right into the video and let's get started. So the reason I'm making this video is how to take in profits, but also not being greedy and how that plays out for the long run. Especially GBPJPY, it's a hard or it's a difficult thing to trade on higher time frames, like especially the 4-hour and the daily, and then taking back to the hour and things like that. It gets difficult on the higher time frames. But if you have mastered it and if you're consistently trading a couple pairs and not looking at all of the currencies when you're trading Forex or anything you do in life, if you're just consistently doing one thing and perfecting that, it's gonna become easier in the long run. So I'm gonna take you guys through this trade, why I took this trade, and there we go. We'll just clear up all of the things and I'll just show you guys what I see. So take off this trend line here. We'll hide these for now. We'll bring them right back. Hide these two, bring them right back. But right here, we're on GJ, and what do you see? What do you see? I could even take this off. Let me just make things simple for you right here. I'm gonna start off from 0. Take this nonsense off. Okay, so analyzing this, what do you see? Let's get this replay out of here. But what do you see? I see resistance and I see support off the bat. So let's just mark those zones right here. Support. So we got our 2 things marked up, right? The bottom, support, and the top, resistance. But another thing I see is a trend line also. And what does it look like the trend is doing? It's been in an uptrend, but we're looking at it currently. Yes, we see it's been an uptrend, and even right now it has came down to retest a level and continued the uptrend momentum. Right? It has continued the uptrend momentum. So let's draw in our trend lines. I'll just do it like this. And I'll draw the top one right here. So within our mark of the support and resistance, we also see our trend lines. And let me bring back the things I hid, the long position, right? But before that, the Fibonacci level. Let's go to the 1 hour and see why I did what I did. If you do it like this, I clicked it right here. Alright, the Fibonacci level. We can get rid of all this for now. Come right here. You see it, right? See it popping out. Why did I do this? Let me do something real quick. Sorry guys. Let me redo this cutting because we didn't see any of these. So we can even take the fib off. And what am I doing here? I could even do the fib back then, like right here, but let's not focus on this. Let's focus on what's currently happening. So if we don't know what's happening in the market, we're still figuring things out. We wait. It's a patient game. I'll show you guys the best quote from Warren Buffett at the end, and Dead Inside actually brought this to my mind. That's a very, very great quote. Either if you're in the stock market, in the Forex, or any of these markets, it's a great thing. But also right here, let's connect. The reason we're doing this, the Fibonacci level, is because we see a trend, right? Let me take this off. Let me put the speed slow and let's go. We see the trend, it's an uptrend. So what are we going to be looking for? We're not looking for a downtrend sell positions. We're only looking for uptrends. We're only looking for long positions. Let's keep this replay going. Okay, what do you see right now? I see a bottom and a high, right? So right here, I'm gonna start my fib from here to here and set an alert saying, hey, if price, well, that's in replay mode, but if price comes here, let me know when the price comes here so I can make a decision to buy. So I set that up, and why did I set it up right here? I started from the bottom, right here. This is the push that, what's it called? This is the push the market needed to get out of the structure. You see right here, it came here to retest these levels, rejected strong sign, and continued the upward momentum. So when it did that, I started my Fibonacci level from here, the bottom, 100%, went to the top, rejection, 0%, and waiting for it to fall down. Let's continue to see. Woo! You see that? Strong, fast movement. Let's go to 30 minutes. Strong wick. If you already placed your buy zone right there, you've already been placed in. But then again, one thing to consider, this is on a higher time frame, so make sure to give it time. We're waiting. We are waiting for it to go. We're not going to be here sitting here for 5 to 20 minutes and expect it to already hit our profit. So what do? We wait, and we're aiming for the top one. We're waiting. We're already inside the game. Hey, it keeps coming. What did it do? It kept coming, retesting. Let's go to the 1 hour again. Kept coming, retesting, but you see all of these candles right here. Let me do something real quick. We can take care of that later. All of these candles right here, strong rejection. Rejection to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles. How many more rejections do you need? How many more confirmations do you need? You got to get in at one point. So we keep continuing this momentum, and we've already entered our 70% position, so we can put this visible again. We entered here, give it time. How many hours is this? 1, 2. This is not the entry. This is not the entry. We started here because it's the wick that passes 70%. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and we're already in profit. We've already been in profit from the, which one? From the first one. Right here. From the first one. It came down, retested, put us in, went into profit. We just keep looking at what it does. Boom. Already in profit. What is it doing though? Coming down. Coming down, testing. Okay. Okay. Okay, boom. If you were smart, you would have got out first profit right here, 38, waited for it to come back if anything, or if it kept continuing, it's whatever. But if you held it, you can hold it as well. Small loss, 20 pips loss on a higher time frame. It's really good. Look at it. Just busting through them. Boom. Boom. Strong, strong, strong wicks. Strong push to the upside. And we can continue to speed this up a little bit. Hey, see? It has already passed your 0 point. And it has already passed, look, 100 pips right here. 100 pips in a span of 1 day. If you're patient enough, you can do it. If you're not patient, well, you won't be successful in this game. I'm not saying the only possibility of getting 100 pips is on higher time frames, which will be a lie. But there it's possible to get over 100 pips on smaller time frames as well. But you just have to know what you're doing and getting in at the right time. And you can't always get in at the perfect time. But once you see the patterns that form in your head, take that execution. Execute. And you can't be too greedy because look, you keep saying, oh, it's gonna go up. No. It went all the way up, came down. And look, if you were here, what did it do? It's almost at the 0% again, but it's still up there. You could have taken your profits, or if you set some trailing stops, you would have been out right here, but still in profit. And the quote is this: the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. This is very, very powerful statement. You can disregard anything you've learned, but honestly speaking, put this in your mind. If you're not patient, you won't be successful in anything you do in life. That's just a video for today. God bless y'all. Peace out.